Before stock markets, before industrial factories, before global corporations, human survival depended on something far simpler: food, and food depended on farmers. For thousands of years, agriculture formed the foundation of civilization. Every city, every kingdom, every empire, every nation, all depended on the labor of people working the land. Yet farming was never easy. The work demanded endurance, strength, patience, adaptability, and the right clothing. Among the most important garments in agricultural history was the farmer shirt. At first glance, it appears ordinary. Simple fabric, long sleeves, buttons, loose construction, nothing extravagant, nothing luxurious. Yet this garment represents centuries of practical knowledge accumulated through experience. Every feature evolved to solve a problem. Every design choice reflected the realities of life in the fields. To understand the farmer shirt, we must first understand farming itself. Agriculture transformed human history. Before farming, most people lived as hunters and gatherers. Food sources were uncertain, settlements remained temporary, population growth was limited. Farming changed everything. Reliable food production allowed permanent communities. Villages became towns, towns became cities, civilization emerged. But agriculture required labor, enormous labor. Fields needed preparation, seeds required planting, crops demanded care, harvests required collection. Work continued through changing seasons and unpredictable weather. Farmers spent long hours outdoors. Their clothing needed to support this reality. The farmer shirt emerged from these conditions. Its primary purpose was protection, not from weapons, not from machinery, but from nature itself. Sunlight, wind, dust, rain, temperature changes. In many regions, long sleeves protected skin from intense sunlight. Loose fabrics improved airflow. Comfort became essential because workdays often lasted from sunrise to sunset. Material selection played a critical role. Historically, linen and cotton became popular choices. Linen offered breathability and durability. Cotton provided comfort and versatility. Both materials could be produced relatively affordably. Both performed well in agricultural environments. These qualities made them ideal for working populations. The shirt's loose fit served multiple functions. Movement is constant during farm work. Bending, lifting, carrying, walking, reaching. Restrictive clothing reduces efficiency. Farmers needed garments that moved naturally with the body. The farmer shirt addressed this requirement elegantly. Its design prioritized function above appearance. Durability mattered equally. Agricultural work is demanding on clothing. Branches catch fabric. Tools create wear. Repeated washing weakens fibers. A useful shirt needed to survive these challenges. Strong seams, simple construction, repairable designs. These characteristics extended garment lifespan. In rural communities, replacing clothing was often expensive or inconvenient. Longevity became valuable. Psychology also influences agricultural clothing more than many people realize. Farming involves uncertainty. Weather changes unexpectedly. Harvests succeed or fail. Markets fluctuate. The profession requires resilience. Practical clothing reinforces this mindset. The farmer shirt symbolizes readiness, preparedness, a willingness to work regardless of conditions. It became associated with reliability and persistence. Across cultures, farmers developed local variations. European farmer shirts differed from those worn in Asia. North American versions differed from those in Africa or South America. Climate influenced design. Available materials influenced construction. Cultural traditions influenced appearance. Yet despite these differences, common themes emerged repeatedly. Comfort, durability, practicality, protection. These priorities transcended geography. The farmer shirt became a global category rather than a single design. Seasonal changes further shaped agricultural clothing. Summer demanded breathability. Winter required layering. Transitional seasons required adaptability. The shirt often functioned as a foundation garment around which additional clothing could be added or removed. Its versatility increased its usefulness. One garment could serve multiple purposes throughout the year. As agriculture became more advanced, clothing evolved as well. Improved textile production created stronger fabrics. Industrial manufacturing reduced costs. Transportation expanded access to goods. Farmers benefited from these developments. Workwear improved gradually, yet the essential philosophy remained unchanged. Support the worker, protect the worker, allow the worker to perform efficiently. The cultural significance of farming clothing deserves attention. Throughout history, societies often celebrated military leaders, politicians, and rulers. Yet agriculture sustained everyone. Without farmers, no civilization survives. The farmer shirt became a visual reminder of this reality. It represented productive labor, connection to the land, the foundation upon which more visible achievements depended. Art and photography frequently captured this symbolism. Paintings of rural life often feature simple work shirts. Historical photographs preserve similar images. These records transformed the garment into a cultural icon. The shirt came to represent honesty, effort, and self-reliance. Even people far removed from agriculture recognized its meaning. Modern farming continues changing rapidly. GPS-guided machinery, advanced irrigation systems, data-driven crop management, biotechnology, precision agriculture. Technology has transformed many aspects of the profession, yet farmers still spend significant time outdoors, still face environmental conditions, still require practical clothing. Modern farmer shirts may use advanced fabrics, moisture-wicking materials, and improved construction techniques. But their purpose remains familiar: provide comfort, provide protection, support productivity. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the farmer shirt is its relationship with civilization itself. Many garments serve specialized roles. Some belong to specific professions. Others belong to particular social classes. The farmer shirt is different. Its story is intertwined with humanity's ability to feed itself. Without agriculture, cities cannot exist. Industries cannot function. Nations cannot grow. The shirt became part of the larger system that made civilization possible. And beneath the cotton and linen, beneath the buttons, stitching, and practical design, beneath the fields, farms, barns, and harvests that sustain generations, the farmer shirt tells a larger story. A story about labor, about resilience, about humanity's enduring relationship with the land. Because before technology, before industry, before modern economies, there was agriculture, and behind agriculture stood millions of individuals working long days to produce the food upon which all societies depend. The farmer shirt became their companion, a garment of necessity, a symbol of endurance, a uniform of cultivation, and one of the most important work shirts ever worn in human history.